Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Andrew Lyons here with the National Weather Service in Grand Junction, and today we're going to be talking about our April 2018 climate summary. So to start off April, on April 7th and 8th, we had several heavy snowfall events across the area, and you can see on our screen here that we had several webcam images from Vail Pass and Rabbit Ears Pass showing some of that heavy snowfall. We continued on April 7th and 8th with many of the lower valleys seeing heavy rainfall from showers and thunderstorms. This is our radar image located up on the Grand Mesa, and it shows a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity across the western slope. Some of that heavy rainfall actually fell in Silt, Colorado, where we had 1.35 inches of precipitation on the day, and we actually had some small hail here at the office in Grand Junction. We had another winter storm on April 12th and April 13th, and again you can see some of those snowfall maps or images from our webcams across Lizard Head Pass and Rabbit Ears Pass up in northeastern Colorado. In addition to that heavy snowfall, we also had some very strong winds. Wind gusts of 45 to 65 miles per hour were very common in the lower valleys, with up to 75 miles per hour for some of the high mountain spots. This is our April 2018 precipitation summary, and these are our automated stations that show the total number of rainfall events, or the amount of rainfall, and the departure from normal. So here in Grand Junction we had 0.69 inches for the month of April, and that was 0.2 of an inch below normal. In Aspen we had 2.56 inches of liquid precipitation, and that was 3/4 of an inch above where we should be for the month of April. But down in Vernal we had 0.51, which is around 0.3 of an inch below where we expect to be for April. Again, this is our April 2018 temperature summary, very similar to the last slide, but showing temperatures instead. In Grand Junction, our warmest day was 81 degrees on April 23rd, and our coldest was 27 on April 18th. For Craig, Colorado, our warmest was 76 on April 28th, and our coldest was 13 degrees on April 3rd. And for Rifle, Colorado, our warmest was 78 degrees on April 27th, and our coldest was 22 on April 18th. Now we're going to talk about a little bit of our snowpack. And what this shows is the percentage of normal of the amount of snow in some of the mountain spots across western Colorado and eastern Utah. As you can see, much of northern Colorado is in the yellow area, which means that we're about 75 to 80% normal of our snowpack. Whereas down in southern Colorado, we're in the red, which is about 10 to 15% of where we should be, which means we're very, very dry down there. Across Utah, we're also very dry. So this is very typical of our La Nina winters, where we have a lot of snowfall across the north, but not quite as much down south. So moving into that, we can talk about the latest drought. So this is the drought monitor, and it shows areas where we've not quite seen the amount of precipitation that we normally see, and we've moved into a drought. So this red area is D4, or exceptional drought, and as you can see, that's across a lot of southwestern Colorado and southeastern Utah, where those snowpack summaries were showing the less than average snowfall, and also where we had less than average rainfall throughout the year. But what does that mean for the future? Well, from the Climate Prediction Center, we can see our May 2018 climate outlooks. So for temperatures, we're expecting about a 60% chance to see above average temperatures, so above where that normal range is for May of 2018. But we're also starting to see some above average precipitation for May as well. So this area right here in northern and central Colorado is expected to see about a 40% chance for above normal snowfall. All right, well, if you're interested in submitting photos for our monthly climate reviews, the easiest way to do that is to contact us on Facebook at NWS Grand Junction. We'll go through the month and select several photos and highlights for our monthly climate review, and all credit will go to the photographers. So if you're interested in that, please send them to us on Facebook and Twitter. Once again, my name is Andrew Lyons. I'm a meteorologist here with the National Weather Service in Grand Junction, and thanks for checking out our monthly climate review for April 2018.